See you around 2:30.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, Miss Joanne, how did you hear about me again?
I just started searching the internet.
Okay, Google.
And
All right.
I found you, and it doesn't seem like there were very many people that do this. So,
Nope. And people love this service.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am. One day. All right. See you when you get back.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is March the 13th. We are out here in this beautiful home. This is my client Joanne. She just said she found me on the internet, like a lot of my clients. Then of course they go to my YouTube page, they watch my videos, they read my reviews. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, I came out, did a consultation, a paid consultation. This was close to about 900 square feet, pretty open area. And what we're going to be doing here, guys, is a screen and recoat. No UV cure, because this house is just going on the market for sale. I also had a lead come in this morning from Tequila for a church. Want their wood floors done, and he's going to be sending me some pictures, and I might stop by Saturday. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. Guys, so we are in Alpharetta, Georgia. Alpharetta. It's beautiful back here, nice, peaceful, and quiet. All right, that's my client leaving. So she's the owner of this home. She said, Courtney, this house is up for sale, and we just want to get these floors done to make it look better, and they're also going to stage it. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing today in this beautiful home. All right, so if you zoom in, guys, see that weir right up in here? All right. So the floors just needs a great screen and recoat. T, what we're gonna start doing, pull up all the vents, just sit them on the countertops. Sit on the countertops. So guys, if you look really close, the floors, again, just really worn, really a lack of finish, makes the floors not look too good, especially up in here. You see that shiny part where they probably had a rug, and see how it's dulled down here. So what we're gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna do a screening. I'm gonna screen this floor down, and I'll get a nice satin finish. Oh, see right here, guys, up in this kitchen, look at that. See right there? Just really, the finish is just worn off the floor. And that's what we're gonna do. And like my client just said, they don't see anybody offering this service, and this is a service that we specialize in. And not only that, a service that I love doing. All right, guys, let's get to it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, as you can see, we got a great screening on the floor. Now we are cleaning and tacking the floor. Oh, man. Yep. And they want to get that coating down. Oh, yeah. I saw a few areas, like right there, or right here. They had like little gouges. Just want to use a little color, just to add some color back into those areas. But that's what the clean and tacky does. It just shows us, right here, it's like someone like just scratched the wood. And then also right here. So I'm gonna add some color back to those areas. And yeah, guys, also too, I had a few inquiries come in on my website while I was screening. So let me call these potential clients back. Stay tuned. All right, guys, hold on. All right, guys, we got a great screening on this floor. You can see I'm gonna zoom in. See, I remember all that residue and those scuff marks are all going out the floor. That's what the screening does. So the floor is ready for new finish. We got our finish prepped. Now it's time to start recoating. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, Miss Joanne just came in. She loved the results of the floors. Say they look so much better. All right, I got a few fans. I don't know why that side of the house, and I started on that side first. It's taking a little bit longer to dry, but you can just see, man, the floors came out really, really good. Nice, nice, nice. All right. All right, guys. All right. That's going to do it. See you in the next one.